Good morning, friends. Today I would like to discuss the topic imperative into interrogative sentence, which is related to third sem BCom students of Tumkur University. Course BCom, subject English, semester 3rd, topic transformation of sentence, subtopic imperative into interrogative sentence, presented by Ramesh R. Transformation of sentence. Let us know about what is transformation of sentence. Sentence can be classified into affirmative, negative, imperative, interrogative, assertive, and exclamatory sentence. These sentences can be transformed into different form without changing the meaning of the sentence. This process is known as transformation of sentence. So today I would like to discuss imperative sentence into interrogative sentence. Learning objectives: students will understand sentence pattern and structure of imperative sentence and interrogative sentence. Students will improve the spoken English, answer the question asked in the examination. Learning outcome: at the end of the session, the student will be able to learn transform imperative sentence into interrogative sentence. Second point, answer the question asked in the examination. Imperative sentence. An imperative sentence gives a direct command. It can end in a full stop or an exclamation mark depending on the forcefulness of the command. Examples: first one, please give a pen. Request. Second one, get out. Order. Third one, don't eat junk food. Is advice. Fourth one, turn left at the junction. Instruction. Fifth one, look out, is warning. So these examples of second and fifth one, I colored. That sentence ends with exclamation mark. So that is, we know, forcefulness of the command. So interrogative sentence which end with a question mark. Second point, are used to ask questions. Third point, make enquiries. Examples of interrogative sentence: can I borrow your grammar book for a day? Could you please help me with these bags? Third one, do you know who she is? Fourth one, did you make a plan? Fifth one, does he know that I am here? Changing imperative sentence into interrogative sentence. So imperative sentence, stop it. So when we transfer imperative into interrogative sentence, that sentence is, will you stop it? Second one, please give me a glass of water. Will you please give me a glass of water? Imperative sentences are changed into the interrogative form to make the statements milder and polite in tone. Imperative sentence, stop reading. Interrogative sentence ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ will you stop reading? Second one, get me a glass of water. ಇಂಪರೇಟಿವ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಗೇಟಿವ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ can you get me a glass of water? Like that. Exercise, change the following imperative sentence into interrogative sentence. First one, open the door. Second one, get me a glass of coffee. Third one, get out of here. Fourth one, sit down. Fifth one, wait here. The answers are here. First one, will you please open the door? Second one, will you please get me a glass of coffee? Third, will you get out of here? Fourth one, will you please sit down? Fifth one, will you please come here? So in this way we transfer imperative sentence to interrogative sentence. So references are there. First one, Contemporary English Grammar, Structures and Composition by David Rees. And second one, Modern English by N. Krishnamurthy, the edition, Macmillan. Fifth one, there are some links, YouTube links are there. Fifth one, High School English Grammar and Composition by Renner Martin. Thank you.